An exhausting travel to visit a factory. Too busy and no valuable time to spend.
Just don't worry. In this video, a mere few minutes are all it takes for an immersive tour of Dolsi Amplifier Factory.
Factory tour starts from Dolsi Company Gate. On the wall along the entrance hallway, you will find our company's various qualifications and certifications. You'll also find the certificates that show our products meet international standards like CE, ROSH, and the China Compulsory Certification. Also the patent certificates for our technical and product development. Now we are at Dolsi Administration Area. It is Sales, Marketing, and HR Department on the second floor. It is Purchasing, R&D, QC Department also, our product demo room and meeting room on the first floor. This is our product demo room. During factory visits, customers can enjoy an immersive product listening and testing experience in this area. This is our meeting room. Now it comes to our R&D section. With our skilled and experienced R&D team, we roll out new products every year. This keeps us and our clients ahead of the curve in product renewal and profit maximization. Right behind the demo room, it is our production workshop. Let's go in and take an immersive short tour. This is our own manufacturing facility. Here, we are using a production system that strategically combines advanced automation with skilled manual work. This integrated approach is applied throughout the entire process, from assembling the amplifier circuit boards to the final packaging of finished products. As a result, we have significantly boosted efficiency, shortened lead times, and achieved a monthly production capacity of 5,000 to 10,000 amplifiers. Our robust production capability helps our customers get high-quality products at a better price, delivered faster and more reliably, giving a real competitive edge in the market. We perform a 100% inspection on every unit in our production facility, covering the entire process from circuit board and amplifier assembly to the final packaging. I'd like to draw your attention to several critical quality checkpoints throughout our production line. Firstly, it is the module testing station. Every single module, big or small, gets tested here after assembly. Nothing moves forward without a pass. Secondly, it is the waveform testing. After all internal modules and components of the amplifier are assembled, it proceeds to the waveform test station. Every amplifier with a complete internal structure must undergo a waveform test to verify its proper functioning and product performance. Only after passing this test will it goes to the next process. Right after the waveform testing, the amplifier go to the aging testing station. Every amplifier must undergo a continuous 4-hour burn-in test under simulated real-world conditions in the aging testing room. Only those that pass the testing are allowed to proceed to the next process. This test effectively ensures the stability and reliability of every amplifier. One more testing process will be specially mentioned is the AP test. At Dolsi, every amplifier undergoes critical parameter testing at the AP test station located at the end of the production line. Each unit is compared against preset pass and fail criteria to ensure compliance with specifications before leaving the factory. This audio precision testing benefit our customers a lot. It means our customers getting more than a device that simply makes sound. They are investing in a premium audio product defined by its performance transparency, dependable quality, and trustworthy value. The critical final step our amplifiers must pass through before being packed is the sound test. Only after passing the sound test at this station will every amplifier that has cleared AP testing proceed to have its stop cover installed and screws fastened. This test will ensure every amplifier our customers purchase is up to standard in both sound quality and functionality. As soon as it passes the sound test, the amplifier goes forward to the next process's top cover installed and screw fasten. After that, it moves to the final procedure on the production line, packaging. We use good quality package materials and our custom-made automated packaging equipment to create sturdy and durable packaging, ensuring that every amplifier our customers receive in perfect, flawless condition. In the final part of the video, let's take a look at our storage warehouse. This warehouse is located right next to the production workshop. You can find metal shells, front and back panels, transformers, heat dissipation blocks, and some assembled modules here. There is also an independent, constant temperature compartment inside, used to store key amplifier electronic components and boards. There is also a special area set up to store finished amplifiers, waiting for shipment.
On the second floor, it is our another warehouse. It is for storage of some hardware parts and package materials. You can find polyfoam, paper cartons, plastic bags, and even the polywood plates here. Okay, that's all for factory tour today. Thanks for joining us. If you would like to learn more about our company and products, please just follow and contact us.